Ever wonder what makes the universe tick? Well, one of the answers might be something called quantum flux. Today, we'll dive into this fascinating concept and break it down into easy-to-grasp pieces. Ready? Let's jump in. In the world of quantum physics, everything becomes a bit unusual. To understand quantum flux, first, imagine you're standing on a beach, watching the waves roll in and out. This motion of the waves is similar to the idea of flux. It's all about change and movement. Now take that idea of waves and apply it to the tiniest particles in the universe, particles smaller than atoms. This is where the quantum part comes in. Quantum physics is the science of the very, very small. In this tiny world, things don't behave like you'd expect. They can be in two places at the same time or spin in two directions simultaneously. It's a bit like if you could be at both school and home at the same time. Quantum flux, then, is about the changes happening in this weird and wonderful quantum world. It's the movement and variation in the states of these tiny particles. And just like the waves on the beach, this flux is happening all the time, everywhere, even though we can't see it with our eyes. But why does this matter? Well, quantum flux is at the heart of many things we take for granted. For instance, it's essential for the functioning of superconductors, materials that can conduct electricity without any resistance. And it's a key component in the workings of quantum computers. Machines so powerful they could solve problems our current computers can't even dream of. So, what have we learned today? Quantum flux is all about the constant change and movement in the quantum world, the world of the very, very small. It's like the waves on a beach, always moving, always changing. And although it might seem strange and far removed from our everyday life, it's actually at the core of many technologies we use today and will shape the technologies of the future. So the next time you're at the beach, watching the waves roll in and out, spare a thought for the tiny particles, always in flux, that make up our fascinating universe.